last thing I wanted to chat with you about is our buddy, the Jehovah's Witness YouTuber, Mr. Daro Weilburg. And I don't know if you've been following this saga between me and him. It's been a while. I've been trying to get on with him better, and he seems to hold you in at least much higher regard than me. Do you have any suggestions about how I could fix our little rift?
You know, I didn't know he was making videos still. Is he still making videos?
No, no, no. Oh, well, he does still mention me here and there, but I just,
Yeah.
I feel like there's still some opportunity there that we might get along.
Look, yeah, I tried the same thing with him, and you know, if anyone's able to do that, I think it's going to be you, because you have a really good way about you, tactically.
He seems to like you more though.
Oh, I don't know about that. I think what's happened there, though, Derek, to be honest with you, maybe you don't understand. What happened was I got a strike on my channel, the first one I've ever got, community guidelines strike, and it was from him. He complained to YouTube, and they removed a video of mine where I think it was probably a little bit out of control. I had a few drinks. I think Marcia the hooligan had said something to him about a gun or something, and he's just taken it all the wrong way. And I thought, okay, he's going to try and sort of manipulate our thinking by calling her out for it. So I'm going to straight out say, yeah, if I saw you in person, Derek, I mean, Daro, I would actually shoot you, you know, tongue in cheek. So he actually expressed, he goes, oh, I would never complain to YouTube about that and whatnot. Sure enough, weeks later, yeah, the video got taken down and I got this guideline. So I objected to it. I said, have you actually listened to this guy at all, you know? And you give me a hard time. But I think that was his last hurrah with me. I got him, you know, at least I got him. And I haven't done a video about it because I just, you know, he's a hopeless, he's fun. It's a bit of fun. Veronica got me onto him, another good ex-Jehovah's Witness friend of mine.
Oh, she's wonderful.
Yeah, but and he was fun, but he's sort of like, he goes on now more like, his videos are more like a scripted talk from the platform. Yeah. But he's the epitome of the typical Jehovah's Witness, and that's what I like about him. Jehovah's Witnesses have this facade, most of them do, and it's all lovely and until an apostate comes along, and then this evilness comes out of them, and he's just like that 24/7, you know. He shows up what's really inside most Jehovah's Witnesses in terms of the way they think. He's so non-credible that he's funny, and yeah. I love the video you did. It's one of my favorite videos, I think, actually, you did, where you flew over to see him.
You put me up in style, man, first class. Yeah, I couldn't believe it.
I know you had that walker there as well and everything. That was really, really funny. But yeah, maybe you could. You see, you don't want to. If you could get into arguing scripture with him, that of course you'd be able to sort of tear him apart. But you're not going to be able to do that with him. I mean, I've done some videos about him where I sort of bring up how obsessed he seems to be with upholding the two witness rule, you know.
Yeah.
And sort of how, you know, it's quite okay for the Jehovah's Witnesses to do what's probably the worst thing that they do, and that is to shelter and give a safe haven to pedophiles. But he's all for that. He not even witnesses that I know try to justify that, the two witness rule, but he's out there making videos trying to justify it, and it's like, what? You're a sad case, man. But no, if you want to pursue, maybe just unbutton your shirt a little bit more. I think he might.
One more button.
Yeah, maybe. I think.
Well, in line with that, I mean, he seemed to really warm up to you a lot more after you had done that showering video. Do you still have that on your channel?
I think it's there. Yeah, maybe.
I'll have it playing right now. Watch this.
What I thought I'd do is give him what he wants. Daro, this is what you want, isn't it? I know, this is what you really want. Well,
maybe I should do that. What do you think? Just do a shower
perhaps.
video for the guy.
Well, the thing is that came from the fact that he was constantly giving me a hard time about being filthy, and not showering. I mean, that was his gig with me. Like, I was homosexual, that didn't shower. So I thought it would be appropriate to sort of prove him wrong, and I did a video of me in the shower, and you know what? He took it seriously. He even goes, "Oh yeah, that wasn't a shower. That was just a little dribble. I bet you turned the taps off just after you didn't actually wash yourself." Like, man,
He wanted a full hour-long shower. That's
I
what he
think he
wanted.
might have.
Yeah.
I think it might be good. Have you got a bath available to you?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Maybe some bubbles in a nice bath with a
little
candle
wine or something.
Some champagne.
Okay.
Right. Get him in the mood.
Matt, you're full of good ideas. I think this is gonna work.
Ideas, man.
Well, anyway, maybe just next time you see him on your Zoom meetings that you do, just send my best. Hey guys, did you like this video? You know what to do. And if something I mentioned today resonated with you, click one of them cards on this screen. I have lots of related content sure to interest you. Thanks as always for your views, and we'll see you next time.